Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create photo collage in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and here we are going to search for grid. Okay, so lots of grids are available over here and we will click on see all grids, and here we can select whatever the grid we want. For example, I am just going to choose a good grid which you will like the most, right? So let me select it. Okay, we have selected this one and now we are just going to the elements again, and here we will search for travel. Okay, we are going into the photos section. You can upload your photos, right? But right now I'm just using the stock photos because I don't have any option, because I travel very less, right? So now we are going to add one more frame, that is circular frame, right? Circle frame. Okay, our circle frame is over here, that we can add it over here, and now we are just going to effects and make the drop effect, right? And here we will increase the direction and we will do this like this, and now we will increase the blur effect and the offset we can choose as per our requirement, right? So whatever our requirement is related to offset, we can simply choose that. Now we are going to reduce the blur. Okay, and now we are going again back to the elements, and here we are going to search for travel. Okay, and here in the photos again we are going to select this image, and then we are just going to make this image like this. So this is how you can create a photo collage in Canva. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.